Yeah, we have here Cabanatuan City and Makati District 1. Hello!
Hello po.
Hello! Such a great performance. Nakakahangang pinakita yung talent ngayon. That's why napili kayo to be one of the top 10. Dalawa kayo na mapili sa top 10 of our Best in Talent for the Fast Track. How does it feel now? Ikaw, lalo ka na. Kasi parang I felt na parang medyo nawawala ng confidence, di ba? But now, I saw you na parang medyo lumalaban.
Yes po, actually we prepared a lot for this competition, especially in this talent portion. Talagang dugot pawis ang binigay ko para dito para ma-deliver ng maayos yung performance. And it really paid off and sobrang happy lang po ako.
Ikaw, we knew that you are sa screening pa lang, singer ka na may ilalatag mo sa table ang iyong talent. It's because of that's also one of your advocacy, isn't it?
Yes po, I'm so excited for talent competition kasi I get the chance to showcase my talent and yun nga, kung ano yung na-earn ko through my talents, yun din yung gusto kong mangyari sa advocacy ko. So, kung ano man mangyari in the future, hoping na makatulong din ako sa kabataan by using this advocacy. Thank you.
So, now we are already reaching the finish line. Tapos na ito, you already got a good place. Tomorrow we'll be having our preliminary. Next day is the coronation night. So, how does it feel now na medyo malapit-lapit na ang ating final round?
Well, ang masasabi ko lang po is you haven't seen the best of me. Talagang gugulatin ko kayo bukas.
There are still a lot of surprises from you na quiet lang. Di ba? All throughout, you're just quiet pero marami palang pasabog. Yeah, that's what I like about you. Ikaw naman, what is your preparation tomorrow and the next days to come? Kailangan mas pasabog pa sa Cabanatuan City.
Yes po, syempre I just have to enjoy it every moment na lang. And also, this is my first ever pageant. So, i-continue ko lang yung ginagawa ko from the very beginning. So, mag-enjoy lang ako and show what I've got.
Yeah. Lastly, can you please say in one word, what is King of the World Philippines?
I identify King of the World Philippines as extraordinary.
Well, a king is someone who has empathy.
Okay, thank you so much the both of you. Good luck tomorrow and the other days to come for our coronation night. Maraming salamat for giving us a very good show. Thank you so much.